this morning about 6:15, and we're on our way to Nova Scotia. We're looking at good weather for most of the trip. We might hit some more weather when we get up north around Maine. That's our destination for tonight, Bangor, Maine. Okay, we just got done with breakfast here. I had a sausage egg sandwich from Dunkin' Donuts. Marie has a lot of gift cards that she gets from people at school. We're hoping to get out of here and back on the highway and heading towards Maine. Okay, so going good so far. We're on our second road stop at a Shell station, and we're all doing pretty good here. Next stop, we're gonna have some lunch. Marie's inside, catching some of the AC and getting a little bit of a break. If you don't recognize the place, we're at a McDonald's. And of course, we got walloped with rain for the last 3 hours of our trip. But at the end of the day, there's always a rainbow. Okay, nobody's getting up early here. The place is empty. What do we have for breakfast? Some hash brown. Potatoes, omelets. Anyway, I was looking at the forecast for today, and if I was following the radar map right, it looks like we're pretty clean and clear, and that by the time we hit Sydney, all the rain should have been lifted. But rain's gonna hit again later tonight. They're saying around like 8 o'clock, so we have to try and, get there before. I think you picked the right thing. The oatmeal. This is good, but...
You want some?
No. I might have a bowl. I might have a bowl.
It's kind of boring. I wish they hadn't. Thank you.
Okay, a little healthier. Some oatmeal with brown sugar and maple syrup. Although I don't think it's maple. They call it breakfast syrup. Bon appetit. Okay. We got a late start today. Met so many interesting people back at the hotel, and they kept on talking to us as we were trying to load. There was another couple on a trike and pulling a trailer, and then there was a fella that was a old-time racer, road racer, raced Yamahas, and he had a long conversation with us. So yeah, 8:30 start. That's not good for us. We were hoping to get out of here at 6 o'clock this morning. We got a long ride ahead of us, so. Did you? Time to get a coffee. Oh, I gotta get prepared here. Alright, here we are in Canada. Got through customs. Go back to home, go into this, let's see, this, oh.
Okay, I thought I was recording. We're in Canada. We just switched everything over to kilometers. Right now we're just on a highway. As you can probably tell, it's a little loud and windy, but we're looking forward to some scenic stuff.
Got some gas, and now we're gonna have some lunch.
Tim Hortons.
Tim Hortons, pretty cool little place. We ordered some soup. They gave us a nice ciabatta roll there with some butter for it, and then steak and cheddar sandwich. Looks good. Alright, so we're leaving our lunch spot, which was very good, by the way. Both of us approve of Tim Hortons. Very good. Nice soup, nice warm soup, served with a roll, and the sandwiches were excellent. I had the steak and cheddar. It was really good. Came with a tomato, lettuce, and some sauce that kind of remind me of French dressing, and I think that's probably par for the course in Canada, because we're kind of French here. So. Alright, we're gonna get back on the highway here.